You've finally started investing, but somehow, your money isn't growing like you thought it would. In fact, you're starting to wonder, am I doing this wrong? Truth is, you might be. Here are 5 investing mistakes that secretly keep people poor, even when they're trying to do everything right. Mistake number 1, chasing fast money. You see a friend double their money on crypto, or a random guy on TikTok says, buy this stock now. And you jump in. That's not investing, that's gambling. Wealth isn't built from luck. It's built from consistency. The people who win long-term don't chase hype, they choose long-term assets with strong fundamentals and hold them through ups and downs. If it feels like a shortcut, it's probably a trap. Mistake number 2, investing in things you don't understand. If you can't explain what you just bought in one sentence, don't buy it. So many people buy stocks because someone on YouTube said it'll go up. That's not a strategy, that's a bet. Ask yourself, what does this company do? How does it make money? Why is it worth my investment? When you understand your investment, you hold through the panic, and that's what separates winners from quitters. Mistake number 3, thinking you can time the market. You can't. I can't. Even professionals with PhDs can't do it consistently. Trying to buy low and sell high sounds smart, but most people actually buy high when hype is up, and sell low when fear kicks in. The solution? Dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly. It removes emotion and averages out your cost over time. Simple, boring, but insanely effective. Mistake number 4, investing before building an emergency fund. If you don't have at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, you're setting yourself up for failure. Because the moment life throws you a curveball, and it will, you need cash. And if your money is locked up in investments, you'll be forced to sell, possibly at a loss. So before you grow your money, protect your peace. Build that cushion. Mistake number 5, giving up too soon. People get excited for 3 months, don't see huge returns, and stop. But investing is like planting a tree, you don't see results in weeks. Your first $1,000 won't feel like much. But when you keep showing up, compounding kicks in. That's when your money starts working harder than you do. Stay patient. Wealth rewards the disciplined, not the impulsive. If you've made any of these mistakes, don't stress. We all do at some point. What matters is you learn and adjust. Now you know better, and that already puts you ahead of 90% of people who never question their financial habits. Let me know in the comments, which mistake are you guilty of, or which one will you avoid starting today? Hit like if this helped you, and subscribe to @Mind2Money 2024 for more smart, honest finance content that actually helps you grow.